adding more tools for the HPC administrator, and that's where the PBS simulator comes in. So the PBS simulator is actually a new thing. It's actually really exciting. We're getting a lot of really good feedback from people we've talked to. It lets you try things out. So you can actually imagine you're running your HPC system and you're not getting the service level you want, say for your high priority queue. It's taking too long for jobs to start. You can actually go to the simulator, you can push, please take a snapshot of my live system. Now, let me make some modifications in the live system, on my simulated system. I'm going to turn preemption on, because I think I might want to use preemption in order to bring down the job turnaround time. But I'm not sure that's actually going to work. So let me try that out in a simulated world. So I'll configure a simulated PBS system, and I'll say, now, run last month's workload. And I want to compare. So now run last month's workload in both what happened, last month for real, and versus the simulated one with preemption. Put them together. Did preemption actually fix my problem and achieve the goal I was looking for? Okay, it did. But also, did it mess something else up? Is it like a good thing to do? Because maybe everything else on the system doesn't happen the way I want it to. And so you'll be able to use the simulator to be able to actually do these sort of what-if tests. But even more than that, you can use it to actually take to, for example, a configuration board or upper management, and you can say, hey, we not only think this might be a good idea, but look, it actually pans out.
So that is the second thing, the simulator. And what's your third announcement?
The third thing that we've actually announced here, and also going to be released in beta next month or two, is a product called PBS Cloud Manager. And that's actually a really targeted product at HPC appliances. So building HPC appliances both in the public cloud, so in Amazon, AWS, and in Azure, as well as building appliances on your local on-premise hardware. And an HPC appliance is where you define in an abstract way, the hardware that you need and how it's connected together with storage and network, as well as the middleware that you want deployed on that hardware, as well as the actual application. So for example, the manufacturing applications, the bio applications, the weather applications. So a solution architect does that part in a really nice, natural way in a GUI. And then the other side of Cloud Manager allows either anybody, but even up to the end user engineer to say, oh, great, I'm ready to do some CFD work, and I need a CFD appliance. I don't know anything about IT, and I want one. Click a button, say, well, actually, I could use 5 implicit nodes and 6 explicit nodes and 2 GPU nodes, because the appliance is a little bit configurable, but I don't need to know anything about HPC. I'm talking in my own language. And I said, please make that, and the option for Azure, say, is on there, on Azure. And I get back a web address. Now I can connect. I have a job portal. I can do remote visualization. Everything is up and running, super turnkey, and I don't have to worry about anything.
But that's a product that will come out. It's not yet available.
You can join the PBS Pro open source community and download the software right now at pbspro.org. The PBS Simulator and PBS Cloud Manager, we're announcing that they're coming out. Please talk to us if you want to see, if you want early access. The beta will start for both of those in the coming couple of months.
Thank you very much for this interview.
Wow, thanks a lot. ISC has been great.
For Premier Magazine, this was Altair reporting.